Hey Lovatic, welcome. This is Julia. Welcome to my Lovatic YouTube. First, I want to tell you about the Demi Lovato tour. I have found out that Demi is going to have a tour very soon. It will start this November the 16th. She will start it off in Detroit. So, there you have it. She is going to have 10 concerts. It's going to end the 3rd of December. December the 3rd. It's going to end in Chicago. I know there are many of you that want to go there. So if you want tickets, you can buy them the October the 14th. Yes, 14th. Demi is also going to have a concert in New York the 21st of October. She is writing here on her YouTube profile that you can find. Let me see. Oh, yeah. In case you missed the announcement on Set 100, I will be in New York on October the 21st. It's for a special performance in Times Square. Love New York. Can't wait to see you guys. XO, Demi. I know you're probably pretty excited. I am, but for 2 reasons. 1, the performance. 2, it's my birthday, so pretty excited. But the tickets to that concert, I'm not pretty sure you can buy that. I think you can buy that now. So yeah. You can also see that Demi's new album is out on YouTube and available. On iTunes it costs $9.99, so that's not so much actually. On Demi's new album, Unbroken, she has 15 songs. Demi has been writing 5 of the songs together with some other writers. I'm not pretty sure, can't remember their names actually, so. But some of the songs on the CD is All Night Long, Who's That Boy, Humor and Shorty, Together, Light Rate, Unbroken, Fix It Hard, Hold Up, Mistake, Give Your Heart a Break, Skyscraper, In Real Life, My Love's Like a Star, For Love Starter, and Skyscraper Remix. I really like the songs because I think they are, like Demi, amazing. I'm gonna give it 5 stars. I'm gonna use some stars, but I don't have any right now, so. But that's everything for now. Oh, remember, you probably know Romeo Miller, Little Romeo. He's actually done a remix of Skyscraper with him and Demi. He has been recording himself, and then he had put it together with Demi songs. It's really cool. Try to check it out on YouTube. But if you want to check out me, my name is Julia, and my account on YouTube is Lovatic Demi Info. If you want to know more about me, I also have a Twitter where you can follow me. It's the Jula Girl, with a big T, a big J, and a big G. So that's all. Keep being Lovato and keep voting for Demi on the best photo with a best camera photo and fan base, or fan army on OMA. So that's all. See you again next time. Bye.